you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say thank you. And I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. It's been a while since the last time I did my unboxing for Ipsy. If you haven't heard about Ipsy, Ipsy is a subscription box for $10. You will receive 4 to 5 items ranging from makeup to beauty tools, skincare. However, this is not a full size. You will receive a sample luxury size. Rarity that you will receive more than 2 full sizes a month. Without further delay, let's dig into it. Isn't she cute? I like the color of this purse. I love butterfly. The first item is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I love their lip cream. The formula is so good and it's not drying, although it has a matte looking finish on your lips. It doesn't dry my lips and I love them, and I have a couple of color in my stash. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty in pink. The second item in my purse is, what's this? Oh, it's lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. Every time I receive hand cream, I get excited. I love the smell. It's so relaxing. It's so And this is from the company Bubble. It says here infused with essential oils, infused with lively lemon zest and citrus oil. The third item is a nail polish. I think it's reminding me that I need to fix my nail. It's been a while. And this is from NailMedic. It is infused with keratin and calcium. This product doesn't contain any chemicals or any harmful ingredients that will harm your nail. And it says here it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free. I like the color actually, it's baby blue. All in all, this product is a vegan. The fourth product we have is a, what's this? It's from Trifle Cosmetics, Trifle, like not triple. It's Trifle Cosmetic. This is a Sugar Bunny Lip Scrub. Oh, I like that. You know what? I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in my giveaway bin. And then the last item in our glam bag is a, what's this? This is an eyeshadow from Luna by Luna. And look at it's so creamy. It's so pink. There's a pink undertone with this eyeshadow. You can probably use this a short highlighter as well, but for eyeshadow it is so creamy. If you are considering subscribing to Ipsy, I'm going to put all the links down below. That's it for our April 2018 unboxing.